the new Museum of Architecture and Design. Located on the waterfront of the South Harbour district in Helsinki, NMAD represents a merger of the existing Design Museum of Helsinki and the Museum of Finnish Architecture, with intent of crafting a welcoming and educational museum experience for all. The public enter the museum from the north from the historic market square, the space opening out into a grand and open linear atrium filled with light. Retail and a cafe space are located to the front of the ground floor to engage with the public square and act as a draw into the space. Moving through the foyer space, the users are guided to a timber assembly stair leading up to the gallery levels, drawing not just the eye but also the user further into the gallery to explore its rooms and exhibits. The expansive atrium space with its geometric timber roof structure allows light to penetrate into the depths of the building, creating an opening and welcoming environment, and the translucent skin enclosing the space filter the natural light, giving it a softer, calmer, and more ambient quality from which the exploration can begin. Fronting the harbour, the main gallery is accessed from the ground floor lobby, opening out into a triple-height space, bathed in natural light. Its focus is as a principal exhibition space, housing the larger and more specialized pieces. Divisible into three areas, the Harbour Gallery is flexible in acting as both a multi- and a single exhibit space with either a linear or fluid program of movement. With views along the atrium and harbour, the Bridge Gallery is a linear exhibition. Enclosed and semi-private, it creates a more intimate space. Its central location along the atrium allows the user to have a visual connection to both the City Gallery and the Port Gallery during their movement through the exhibits. Long sweeping views along the atrium and openings in the gallery walls ensures that visual connections to the various exhibits can be established and maintained as the user moves through the space both vertically and horizontally. The City Gallery and Workshop create private and intimate spaces. These spaces are both for exhibitions and education. Their linear and private layout enables a curated and guided movement through the space, with openings to the atrium ensuring a visual connection to the space and other galleries are maintained, while openings to the city are created through semi-permeable rotated brick work. Exiting the lift core, open walkways to the atrium act as vantage points, allowing users to enjoy views overlooking the galleries and exhibits, further creating visual links throughout these spaces and encouraging exploration through intrigue and discovery. Located at the end of the second floor, the library is a focal point, gathering interest whilst moving through the atrium. The double height room is a multifunction space, accessed from the atrium. The space acts as a link between the atrium, interior, and the park, exterior, with long linear views through it. The green route begins at the park to the south and moves towards the harbour's edge to the east, blending the museum site with the neighbouring Saaret development. Lined with trees and planting, it enhances the public realm and encourages the city's focus on pedestrianisation of the district with views over the harbour and filtered views into the Port Gallery. Visual links between the internal and external through the semi-permeable polycarbonate skin are filtered and distorted. Only colour and movement are able to penetrate through the membrane, giving the public a hint as to the contents of the galleries without revealing too much, enticing and encouraging exploration, turning the public into future inhabitants of the space. The curvature of the museum's edge between the site and the city acts as a temporary mask to the Helsinki Cathedral to the north, creating a moment of reveal as the public moves up from the south, linking the two buildings together. The sight box atop the museum offers sweeping views to the north and to the east, crafting wider connections to the city from the function space, further strengthening the visual links between the interior and exterior. The double height space provides a striking venue full of natural light for performances. The sweeping views, both of the city and the atrium, creates an open experience space with a flexible program of events. Fronted by a grand public realm acting as a generous gateway to the museum, but also a future open public exhibition space, home to pop-up design galleries and construction industry exhibits. Bridging the link between the new development of Saaret and the museum with the historic market hall and square of Old Helsinki, the open space also acts as a continuation of the pedestrianisation of the harbour route to the south. The intent behind NMAD is create an open, multi-layered, multifunctional exhibition space that is both engaging and educational in its exhibitions, attracting new users and showcasing the best of Finnish architecture and design both as a venue and as a building.